What is up, you guys? Welcome to another episode of The Single Rider.
Single Rider.
Today, you guys, we are at a new theme park that we have never made a video at, nor I'm not sure if I've ever been here. Disney's Blizzard Beach. And it is the day after Thanksgiving, so we are gonna go in and see how busy it is. Just walking through the parking lot does not seem too crazy, so we're gonna get in. We have really no idea what to expect in terms of crowds, in terms of what there is to do exactly. So anyways, let's head into Blizzard Beach and let's check it out. That's snow. That's right, guys. It is snowing at Blizzard Beach, but I don't recommend eating this snow because it's actually soap. That's right. It doesn't actually snow here in Florida. Unfortunately, that's one thing we are missing about not being in Utah right now is we miss the snow and the mountains, but not really the cold. We don't miss that at all. No. So yeah, nothing too crazy over here, just a fun little spot for little ones. You're supposed to be under 48 inches to enjoy the slides and the splash areas here. But I mean, you see parents. I've been hanging out with Dax, who's obviously under 48 inches, but my other two are over that. But we're still having a good time. They're not gonna enforce that, just as long as you're not being disruptive to everyone else trying to enjoy themselves here. But really, really fun. The theming still fits the Blizzard Beach theme, obviously with Frozen. It introduces a little bit of the, the common, more well-known intellectual property for the little ones of today. So that's cool. Happy to see some Frozen. I think they fit in well here. We've experienced everything that there is to offer here. So we're gonna head over to some more extreme attractions. Oh yes, the slow slide. I cannot speak today. The slow slide was a little too slow, so I'm upgrading to a tubular experience. We're heading up. Gradually working our way up to Summit Plummet, which I have never done. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get to do it today because I'm here by myself with the kids and I don't trust leaving them. So yeah, let's hit the tube ride. This area is really fun. There's some fun water slides here for kids. There's also a tubing ride over here, as well as this ropes obstacle course where you can climb and try and make your way across all the little icebergs. Reminds me a lot of some of the water parks I used to go to when I was a kid. So super fun, some good exercise, and it's just great. There's not long lines for anything. Pretty much walk onto everything you want to do. One thing, if you are tall, like myself, I'm 6'6", going down these smaller, or intended for smaller people, like kids, like this last tube ride, when I hit the water, I expected there to be like, 3, 4, 5 feet of water to like cushion me, but like I'm so tall, I put my legs down. It was like, oh, excruciating. Hurt my feet really, really bad. So just kind of keep your feet up if you're tall so you don't injure yourself. All right, we have switched over to the action camera because we don't want to bring our phone onto the raft ride just in case it gets destroyed with water. So the audio is probably going to be a little iffy on these. But yeah, we're gonna go try out the Teamboat Springs family raft ride. All right, guys. So we have exited the family raft ride because the line was too long. So we were gonna hit up, well, I'm gonna hit up Slush Gusher. Never done this before, but I'm making my way up to Summit Plummet. I'm a little nervous, guys. I'm a little nervous. First time. Okay, here we go. Wow. This is the most extreme ride I've had all day. Now this lazy river is very, very lazy. It's the perfect family lazy river. I'm thinking between this and Typhoon Lagoon. This one feels a little bit slower and maybe a little bit more family friendly just because the water is not as deep, I don't think. Now Aquatica at SeaWorld, that one's insane. Watch your little ones on that. That one's super fast moving, deep, crazy deep, super fast water. Kind of risky for families. So make sure you watch your little ones on that. But this is super easy. I mean, Dax, this is 2 feet 9 inches. So he's literally just walking around in the water, super, super comfortable, having a great time. I feel very confident in here, letting my kids play safely. Also, Blizzard Beach has quite a few tube rides, which are a lot of fun. They look like they're a lot of fun. I haven't been able to do them because my youngest, he's a little afraid to go on single tube rides by himself. Yeah, just kind of be aware of that there's only really one like family raft ride here, whereas I think like Typhoon Lagoon has a couple of them. Most of the tube rides here are all single rider tubes. Single rider, I like that. This is a really fun, easy, family-friendly wave pool. Typhoon Lagoon can get a little extreme with the big waves. This is great. You like this one, bud? There's Sean way up there. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go get Sean. Go get him. Wow, you guys, it's been a great day here at Blizzard Beach. I'm so happy that it's back open here at Walt Disney World. I would say overall it's just a much more, like, I would say it's a very friendly family water park. Family friendly, yes. Yeah, just overall great day. I would have liked to have done Summit Plummet. I don't think there'll be time for me to do it today, but I'll definitely be coming back to do that on another trip. So, yeah, some fun slides here though. I highly recommend it, guys. If you've never been to Blizzard Beach, definitely come check it out. It's amazing. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Keep being awesome. Be true to yourself. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't. We'll talk to you soon in the next one, guys. Peace out.